A South Korean delegation will soon be sent to Japan by President-elect Yoon Suk-yeol for discussions on North Korea and other issues. According to Yoon's spokesperson on Sunday, the delegation consists of 7 experts led by lawmaker Chung Jin-suk of the People Power Party, who co-chairs a diplomacy forum involving lawmakers from Korea and Japan. They're going to meet with Japanese government officials, lawmakers, business people, and journalists. The agenda will include cooperation on North Korea and ways to resolve bilateral issues between Seoul and Tokyo. The delegation will leave for Japan next Sunday, the 24th, and come back on the 28th. Yoon has already sent a delegation for talks with South Korea's closest ally, the United States.